Short March 23rd Sunday. Why is God's name to be respected? In today's passage of Genesis, God discloses his name, I am, or I am who am. In obedience to the second commandment, the people of Israel showed a profound respect for the holy name God revealed to Moses. We too should give supreme respect to God's name, including the name of Jesus Christ. Respect for his name is an expression of the respect owed to the mystery of God himself and to the whole sacred reality it evokes. This respect extends to the Blessed Virgin Mary, the saints, and all holy things. Respect for God's name includes oaths and vows. For the 4-minute version, please click the link below, indicated by an arrowhead, and don't forget to like and subscribe.